Hey, to connect the JBL Wave Buds with your Apple device like this iPhone, first of all, you will have to remove both earbuds from this charging case. And now you will have to click and then click and hold to enter for the pairing mode. So these indicators will start blinking quickly. There we go, just like this. Now we can release, go into the Bluetooth settings. Now tap on the switcher of the Bluetooth and select JBL Wave Buds. When you are connected, you can also download the JBL headphones application to unlock more features of these earbuds. So go here, download this application, tap to get it. In my case, I will have to double click to install it. Scan my face. And after the download will be finished, I will be able to set up these earbuds with the application. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.